Spend a few minutes going over some of the differences between the Mille-Tie regular ties, our original units, and the Mille-Tie Quickstrip. The original Mille-Ties, you can see they're made up of these individual cells and spacers in between, and both products work the same. I'm going to take this long tip and I'm always going to put it through the top cell, and I'll show you why in a second. I'm just going to grab a couple of cables here to tie together, and I'm going to put this through the first cell, and I'm going to pull. And this is one feature that's great about the standard Mille-Ties is you can use kind of a one-handed tie. And then I'm going to cut this right here, and as you can see, first of all, if this was a zip tie, I'd be throwing all this away. Secondly, since I still have the tip, I can still tie. So I'm going to do that again and put it right through here. Just put it through the top one. I'm going to pull, and you can see it ratchets right down. I can cut it again. I can also form a double loop if I want to, and suspend the cable lightly, or have another cable bundle right there. Now, another differentiator between this and the zip tie anyway is that the Mille-Ties and the Quickstrip both stretch, so it's a simple procedure if you need to get it off to go in and cut it if you want to. Okay, and you're back to square one. Now, with the Quickstrip, you see the cells are a little bit bigger. It's a little bit easier to tie, or a little bit easier to thread anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to thread this, and I'm going to pull. So it's easier to use, more plastic. A little bit harder to use one-handed, as you can see, but it's thicker, there's more plastic. It operates just the same. I can cut it, and I can reuse it again. As long as you have the tab, as long as you use the first one. The same looping properties, etc. Now, what's great about the Quickstrip and what really sets it apart from the Mille-Tie and just about everything else is it's very easy to undo. Those holes are nice and big. So it's great for temporary installations. If I want to be able to reuse this over and over again, I can definitely do so. I just put the tip through, grab it, pull. When I'm ready to undo it, I just slide that back through and pull again. And you're done. Okay, so that's the Quickstrip and the Mille-Tie.